Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Now I'll show you how to bypass Family Link protection on your Motorola G71 5G. Okay, as you can see, I can't delete Parental Controls application, so I need to go to Settings, then scroll down and go to Google, open Manage your Google account option. Then scroll right and choose Data and Privacy. Scroll down and choose Delete your Google account. Enter your password. And choose Next. Scroll down, choose I understand, scroll down again, choose yes, and delete account. Fine, as you can see, all apps are unlocked, and now we can delete Parental Controls. Uninstall it. Okay, that's all right. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, comment this video, and goodbye.